Hello viewers, in this lecture I am going to teach you about the Planck's theory. This is first part of this video. In this video I am going to teach you about the Planck quantum theory and theories related to energy emission. In the another video, part 2 of this video, I am going to teach you about the energy types and the formulas that can be derived related to Max Planck's theory. Planck quantum theory. The word quantum here means energy. Planck's energy theory. Now here the word quantum is singular, but the plural of quantum is quanta. Now what we call the quanta? Just suppose a body releases one wave of energy or one energy packet. We're gonna state this as quantum. But if a body is releasing a group of energy packets, so we're gonna state these as quanta. Let me remove it. Okay. Now there are two types of energy. As I taught you, first one is quanta. When a body releases an energy that is invisible is known as quanta. Invisible means it can be ultraviolet or infrared. But when a body releases energy in a visible form, we're gonna state that as photon. Now photon's best example is sun rays. Sun is a body that also releases some rays or radiations or energy that we can see. Now these energy packets from sun, we're gonna say it's a photon. As in class 9's book, the word photon is used, not the quanta. But in first year, we're gonna study quanta and photon in a different manner. Now let me explain you quanta and photon with example. Let me remove it. Now see, this is example of photon. How? Now here the energy is being released, but we can see that energy. So we're gonna say it is energy packet photon. But in the other condition, the energy released from the body, we can't see it. So those energy packets would be termed as quanta. Now there are two theories on energy emission. First theory is old theory. We can say that the old people's thoughts or assumptions. Though that theory is also known as classical theory. As per old theories, the emission of energy during the heating and cooling process is continuous. Now we know that when a body is heated, the electrons or matter get energy. But when we started cooling process, it releases energy. Now according to the old theory, that emission and absorption is continuous at the macro level. Macro level can be seen by naked eye. Micro level cannot be seen by naked eye. Let me just tell you in brief. Now example of that is when a body is falling from a certain height, its kinetic energy kinetic energy increases and potential energy decreases. Now the old people or old theory says that as kinetic energy and potential energy decreases and increases continuously, so the atom also emits and absorbs energy in the same manner. But that was totally wrong. How? Let's discuss about the Planck's theory. So we're gonna answer the question how. According to the modern theory or Planck's theory, that emission is discontinuous at the micro level. As I taught you, at macro level, old people talk or give postulates on the macro level, but the Planck theory was at micro level. What kind of micro level? Now we know that in an atom there are different shells, orbitals, or surrounding circular motion in which electrons move in circular motion. Now those shells are named with K, L, M, N, and we know that the electron is at K shell. Now when we heat this atom, that electron will go up and gets instability. Now we know that when we give its energy, it will absorb energy level will high. As energy increases, so it will go up. But we know that the more energy, the more instability. So for gaining of the stability, it will go down and down and down. Now when it is coming down, it releases energy. Now that energy is discontinuous due to the meta state. Now what is meta state? At the condition at which the electrons come at a minor stable or this stops for a sec, that state is known as meta state. And these kind of energy that cannot be seen is termed as quanta. And this is all about today's lecture. This is the conclusion of whole lecture. Thank you.